Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. All right, October 1. And what we saw yesterday and what we're seeing in the overnight tonight is support, at least on the continuation chart, front month as well, of the daily mid-band. Front month daily mid-band, December contract, 33.38. They flirted with it a little bit yesterday. You had some news late in the day yesterday. Mitch McConnell, they knocked the tape down, but they really couldn't do. Let's go to the hourly chart. They knock it down here. They were on their way to 3,400. It was a nice little walk-up move. I had my runner on. Room's got their runner on. Everybody's having a, it's a nice little Wednesday. Nice little Wednesday. And then McConnell opens his mouth, and it's like, oh boy, all right, well, we got to hyper trade the short. Here we go. We shorted a few times. They were nice trades. They made you work for it, though. They bounced it from the 30s up to 60, and they knocked it back down. But then once you got post-market, it hit 6 o'clock, and they gapped it up, and it's been a gap and go. It's been a gap and go since they opened at 6, and we made a higher high. You see the new monthly pivot there, 33.70.92. The daily mid-band there, 38. Wants nothing to do with the weekly pivot this week. It's way off in the distance at 32.69.92. So for me, if we're going to convert monthly pivot, we're going to make a higher high here. Then bulls have got to go ahead and reach and go do that pre-FOMC print of 3,400 half. And once we figure that out, then unless I said yesterday in the room, and I meant it. And it's the same song that I've sung for many years. It'll be on my greatest hits album. It's that the Bears, absent news, the Bears can't get anything going. And if we are trading in a vacuum, the market wants to go higher in a vacuum. Absent an event, absent news, absent some kind of tape shock, it is very, very difficult for the Bears to, A, take the market down, and it is impossible for them to keep it down. So the more you work that into your plan, the better off you're going to be, knowing as we're cascading down on comments from McConnell, we're grabbing profits. And when it starts to go bad, we're rolling down runners. And so we booked 3 consecutive shorts yesterday afternoon. And that's because we weren't waiting for the runner to be the greatest runner in the history of time, because chances are it's not going to be. And if it is, there'll be other chances to get into different shorts, and one of them will end up having one of those big runners. You have to see the down moves for what they are. They are reactionary drops to news. And until the Bears can consistently convert areas that matter to resistance and keep those areas converted on a multi-day basis, it's not going to happen. So 3,400 is the next deal. Keep an eye on 33.70. Hourly mid-band is 68 and change. Volume weighted average price 72.33. Proprietary moving average is at 79. 5-minute mid is at 82. We open in a couple hours. Not quite. I'm taping this at 7:45. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.